Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a treat for you. I have the bargain bead box for August of 2026. Not sure what it is yet. Before we go on, I have to apologize for my hands. I have cuts on them and everything. I have been working in my bead room. I'm remodeling it. I think I told you guys it's been about a year though. I'm about 90% done now. I'm like moving shelves and cleaning out all this stuff, and I like broke off my nail and everything, and I don't get my nails until tomorrow, but I wanted to unbox this for you guys, so just don't look at my hands. So if you're not familiar with Bargain Bead Box, I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. The monthly boxes are $24.99, and they usually are valued at over $60, so I don't know what's in here yet. I did see a little bit of Lauren's sneak peek. So this one is called, oh, I think I cut my thing when called Saguaro Sunset. Oh, Saguaro Sunset Collection. I ended up cutting this when I was opening up the package. So that's not good. But anyway, so, oh boy, let me see if it's in here. Here it is. Here is the rest of it. So I'm gonna tape this back together. Oh boy. So this is valued at $90.79. Okay. So let's see what's in here. Excited for this. Did see a little bit of it, but not much. Because I like to be surprised, just like you guys. I know some people don't like to know ahead of time, but I like to see a few things from her. Ooh, oh, wow. Oh, are we gonna have a fun month again? I don't know if you saw my last month, but I did 4 video tutorials. One of them got 1,300 views for my long lariat. That seemed to be really popular, so might do something like that again this month, maybe using this box. Not sure yet. Oh, I like this. Wow, look at all the, oh my gosh, look at the cactus. Hello. Oh, and it goes right through. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, I love this hand-painted porcelain cylinder bead in Southwest Nights. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Before I go any further, let me get everything set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so we are starting with number 1, the 34 by 23 millimeter red jasper and brass teardrop pendant in antique copper. And wow, this is so pretty. The little clasp fell off, so I had to put it back on. Such a pretty pendant. I will say I have got so many ideas for this box. It's almost scary how many ideas I have. I was opening this and it was like my mind was just going crazy. I might have to take a little bit of time out of redoing my bead room to do some videos. So this one was gorgeous. And then look at these two. These are 2 pieces, approximately 24 by 18 millimeter red jasper teardrop pendants. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Oh my gosh. So pretty. I swear, just when I think they can't outdo themselves, and then they outdo themselves. Number 3 is 4 pieces, approximately 14 by 9.5 millimeter red jasper teardrop beads. So these have the hole that go through them. Look at that one. I love this. How one is so unique. You know, that's what happens when you get gemstones. A lot of times they're not all the same, which is what's cool about working with them. So pretty. And then look at these. This is number 4, a 15-inch strand of 8 millimeter red rainbow jasper round beads. These are gorgeous. And here's the same striations And this one is in those other beads. Oh my gosh, look at these. Look at those. Look at that, how cool these are. Wow, so pretty. I'm loving this. This is like so fall. It's like now that it's August, it's still 100 million degrees down here in Florida, but number 5 is a 7-inch 4 by 2.5 millimeter red jasper faceted Hishi beads. These are so pretty. I don't know if you can see all that sparkle in them. Love these beads. Gorgeous. Oh, so pretty. Not sure what seed bead I'm going to use yet, because you know me, I always got to have a seed bead. Number 6 is 14.5-inch strand of 3 by 3 by 5 millimeter Elysian agate microfaceted round beads. These are pretty. I like them because they're really earthy. So these could almost go as a seed bead. Maybe I won't use a seed bead this month, but we'll see. You know, I always use a seed bead. These are really pretty. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Okay, and next is number 7. 7-inch 6 millimeter red rainbow jasper matte round beads. I love how they give us matte and they give us faceted, and you know, just all the different textures really help with when you want to make jewelry. This is so pretty. I like matte. I'm not a fan of matte by itself, but when you mix it with like some of these beads, you know, they're a little shinier, then I'm a fan. And number 8, this is gorgeous, is a 7-inch strand of 6 millimeter sea sediment jasper man-made beads in orchid. This is pretty. I love that, a little bit of purple with it. I have a different idea for these already. So we have that. And then number 9 is a 10-inch strand of 5 by 5 millimeter crystal English cut beads in turquoise green. So we always get that sparkle going on with them. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and then number 10 is a 10-inch strand of 7 by 4.5 millimeter crystal faceted rectangular beads in dark coral red. These are really pretty. If you could see them, they're rectangle, but they're not round, so they're kind of squared off. They're like a true rectangle. Really pretty. Yeah, look at that. That looks really pretty. Okay. And next, number 11 is 7.5-inch strand of 8 millimeter Riverstone fossil jasper round beads. These are pretty. These are matte, but I think they're natural matte. So these look really pretty. They're nice and bright too. Okay, and number 12, could this be any cuter? A 58 by 33 millimeter porcelain cactus bead in ivory with brown wash. So it's got the hole going down the middle. And it's so cute. It's the same on both sides. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. And then this, I love this. So this is 28 grams of mix of 6 by 3 millimeter glass rondelle beads in sunset skies. So you see all the different colors in there. These are really, this is, oh, where'd that go? I love all these different colors. Get like the purpley, and then you get like a seafoam green, and you get like a white. It's got like a Picasso look to it. And then this bright yellow, really pretty. Like these match that that cactus. Okay, And then next, oh, this is different. Hand-painted porcelain cylinder bead in Southwest Nights. You can kind of see it. It's got a really cool look to it. This one was $3.99 for this bead, which I'm sure if it's hand painted. Very pretty though. Okay, and then next, well, these are fun. 4 pieces of 37 by 46 cactus teardrop pendant set and antique copper patina. So let's look at these first. So this is the back, and then this is the front. I mean, you could just put a pair of ear wires on here and have a pair of earrings to begin with. Or you could, you know, use it as a pendant. There's a lot you can do with this. And then we have this one. That's the back of it. And this is the front. So that's how they look. So pretty. I love these. I love when they do copper and antique brass and antique silver and all those. Those are my favorite metals to work with because they don't tarnish. Okay, and number 16 is, oh, this is pretty. And it's got 5 holes at the bottom for, you know, dangling stuff on. 4 pieces of 25 by 22 millimeter teardrop chandeliers in antique copper. So these are really pretty. Here is the back. And here's the front. Very pretty. This is such a pretty box. Really happy with this. Okay, and then next, oh, these are pretty. Number 17, and they're the same on both sides. So number 17 is 6 pieces of 27 by 17 millimeter textured teardrop links in antique copper. So these are really pretty. What fun pieces this month. You know, I mean, really, how fun is this month's box? Those are so cool. I love them. And next, number 18 is 30 pieces of 6 millimeter detailed bicone spacers in antique copper. So these are pretty. These are a fun spacer because they have a little more width to them, so you can really see that copper if you put it between beads. And then next are number 19, which is 30 pieces of 7 millimeter bead caps in antique copper. So these are pretty. So there is the top part of it. Love this. I love all this copper they gave us. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. Okay, and 20 is 3 pieces of 24 by 11 millimeter hook and eye clasps in antique copper. So 1, 2, 3, and then here's the other one. So these are fun. There we go. And that's how it looks. So cute. And last but not least, we have 4 by 3 millimeter textured oval jewelry chain in antique copper. This is such a pretty chain. And it's easy to work with. It's got those little grooves and everything for the texture part of it, but yet jump rings and stuff go through here pretty easily. It's not the like the chain from last month, although I worked with that anyway, but that's a little harder to work with. These, you could just cut these as needed and you get a nice long piece of this. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing for Saguaro Sunset Collection. Like I said, I ripped off the top, so I'm not really sure. Like I said, I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box. With them, it's $24.99 a month. And I'll leave a link below with the coupon code and a link to their website so you can check everything out. So I hope you enjoyed this, and don't forget to follow me on YouTube, hit that notification bell, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and even give me a hype at the bottom. It really helps my channel. And leave a comment. I love reading comments from you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you on my next video. Have a great day.